So in 2026, Agora Models are releasing a fully licensed 1/16 scale part build kit of the Orca from the film Jaws. They recently updated their website with prototype photographs, so these aren't the final build images. The 1/16 scale is large and dwarfs the tiny 1/87 scale model I made a few years back. At the time of making this video, Agora's website has a gallery of prototype images. This shot shows an arrangement of books. It could just be for the prototype, but it appears to be a solid plastic moulding of all the books together. I intend to replace these with scale replicas of some of the books, visible in the movie, and some of my own. This screenshot is from the excellent 4K Blu-ray. Towards the end of the film, just before the barrel smashes the front window, a row of books are clearly visible. Taking the blue book as an example, titled Charting the Oceans, I was able to search for an image I could use to create a miniature version. I came across this video, linked below, which features a one-to-one replica of the cabin and a selection of screen-accurate books. From this, I could determine how the spine and cover should look and how it wraps around, as well as font and colour details. Using a partly faded scan of the cover from archive.org, I was able to clean up and recreate the spine and back cover using elements from the cover. The compass image was split vertically and flipped to restore the yellow colour faded image back to red. I repeated the process with the other documents I could find. Using a free online scale converter, I calculated the measurements needed to reduce the book covers to 1/16 scale. I cut the prints out, cut out lots of tiny pages and stuck them all in with a smidgen of PVA glue. I even added little folded over dust covers for the big novelisations. I was really happy with these little books until I noticed something was a little off. I had not realised that when I sent the documents to the printer, it was set to rescale, which made the image slightly larger. I had in fact just created a series of 1/8 scale books instead of the desired 1/16 scale books. So with that lesson learned, I set about reprinting, recutting and gluing at a much smaller scale. This is roughly the final arrangement as seen in the movie, but with a few of my own books thrown in too. Comparing with what might be included with the final kit, I'm glad I decided to give it a go. I look forward to repainting the Agora model and making it look really weathered and dirty. I've been practicing painting wood grain effects so that when the final model is built, it hopefully looks more like a practical miniature with a few of my own little touches. Let me know if you'd like me to post video progress as I go along.